We have 3 quarterbacks on the line. Who are your favorites? Who's standing out? And when do you think Pete Carroll needs to make his decision by?
Well, I think that Tavares Jackson definitely stands out to me. He's probably my favorite, and Pete Carroll should make his decision soon, hopefully.
All right.
Yeah.
What about you?
I think Pete Carroll's actually already made his decision, but he just hasn't released it yet, and I think he's going to go with Flynn.
I would like to see Flynn or Tavares get it. It would be nice to just have Russell wait a year. But yeah, Flynn looks the best right now.
I feel like what Pete Carroll is doing is just letting him compete, so giving him that edge to just not, get relaxed, but just keep competing at their best level, make sure they're both ready for the season. But I think he should make it, maybe a couple weeks, but definitely I think Flynn looks good.
I actually thought Tavares Jackson looked pretty good today. I'm more in favor of Flynn. I think he's got more upside, and I think he's got to wait till a couple preseason games are done to make his decision.
I don't think he needs to make a decision anytime soon, but I think that Flynn is going to be the starting quarterback.
I think Jackson, he didn't really get a full season. So, he got a full season, but he was injured. I'm rooting for Wilson or Flynn.
I personally like Flynn. I was watching him, and I like how he's throwing the ball, and everything is pretty accurate.
All right.
I would also say Flynn. He looks pretty comfortable back there, and I would hope Pete Carroll make a decision probably within the next week or so. That would be nice to see. Yeah, sooner or later.
I would like to know sooner than later, just so I know who to draft for my fantasy team. But other than that, no. He'll do his thing, and hopefully we get to the Super Bowl.